Hey everyone, welcome to Stroll with Addy. Get ready for an awesome tour of this hotel, Meriton Suites, Southport, right at the heart of Gold Coast. In this video, I'm taking you through the stunning lobby, high-tech lifts, a killer gym, massive pools, and a relaxing sauna, and jacuzzi as well. Plus, we'll check out an incredible apartment suite with cozy rooms, a modern kitchen, and jaw-dropping sea views from the balcony. Stick around for all this and more. Let's dive in. Okay, once again, welcome back to Stroll with Addy. Today, I'm beyond excited to take you on an epic tour of Meriton Suites, Southport, right here in the vibrant heart of the Gold Coast. As I'm walking towards the entrance, just take a look at this stunning high-rise building. It's sleek, modern design is absolutely eye-catching, towering over the surroundings with the real sense of grandeur. The location is perfect, putting you right in the middle of the Gold Coast action. Beaches, dining, and that iconic surfers paradise vibe are just steps away. Let's head inside and see what the incredible hotel has in store for us. Alright, as soon as we step into the building, we are greeted by this gorgeous lobby, and wow, what a first impression. Right on the left-hand side, you've got the reception area, where the friendly staff are ready to welcome you with a smile. Look at that beautiful chandelier sparkling above, adding a touch of elegance to this open, airy space. The layout is so spacious and inviting, with a cozy waiting area that's perfect for relaxing or planning your Gold Coast adventure. Now, let's head to the elevators to explore more of this amazing property. Check out these lifts. Super sleek with digital, high-tech control panels. It's all about the modern touch here at Meriton Suites. We are heading up to level 5 to check out some of the standout amenities this hotel has in store. Here we are on level 5, and we are walking down this bright, clean corridor towards the outdoor amenities. The vibe is so inviting, and you can already feel the Gold Coast energy. And just ahead, something really exciting, the outdoor pool area. Let's take a closer look. Let's go. Wow! Just look at this massive open sky pool. The weather today is absolutely perfect, with clear blue skies making this spot an absolute dream. You've also got a barbecue area right nearby, which is perfect for a relaxed cookout with friends and family. From here, you get an incredible view of the entire Meriton Suites high-rise towering above us. It's seriously impressive, guys. And check this out. Over there, you've got a breathtaking view of the sea shimmering in the sunlight. It's the kind of view that makes you want to stay here forever. Wow, just take a look at this. From this side of the pool area, you get an amazing view of Gold Coast CBD and the iconic Surfers Paradise. The skyline is absolutely stunning with all those glittering high-rises. Whether you are here for the beach or the city vibes, this spot gives you the best of the both worlds. Meriton Suites has everything well organized, including these clearly marked pool safety instructions. Always good to see safety first, right? And over here, there's this cool sitting area right by the pool. It's the perfect spot to kick back, relax, and soak in the incredible sea view. Honestly, I could spend all day here. Now, let's head inside to check out something else pretty awesome. And that is your indoor pool. This area is just as clean and inviting as the outdoor space. It's great to know you've got options, whether you want to swim under the open sky or in the cozy indoor setting. The whole area feels so maintained and luxurious. And it does not stop there. Check out this sauna and jacuzzi area, pure relaxation heaven. After a long day exploring the Gold Coast, this is the perfect way to unwind. The setup is modern, clean, and just screams indulgence. Honestly, Meriton Suites is ticking all the boxes for a perfect stay. Let's peek into the gym. This place is kitted out with everything you need for a solid workout. You've got treadmills, stationary bikes, rowing machine, leg press machine, dumbbells, and so much more. It's spacious, modern, and super clean, perfect for fitness buffs or anyone just wanting to stay active during their stay. Alright, now let's take a tour up a notch and head to the apartment suite to see what it's like to actually stay here. I'm so excited to show you this space. It's like a home away from home with some seriously incredible features. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm standing just outside the room now, ready to give you a peek inside this amazing apartment suite. Let's step in and see what's waiting for us. Let's go. As we enter, we are greeted by a neat corridor with a stylish table right here, complete with a telephone you can use to call the reception. Super convenient if you need anything during your stay. The space feels clean and welcoming, setting the tone for what's to come. Now, walking through, we enter this fantastic lounge area. It's so cozy and modern, perfect for unwinding. To the left, you've got this awesome open-plan kitchen, fully equipped, super clean, and ready for you to whip up a meal or just enjoy a coffee. Over here, there's a nice comfy couch and a sleek coffee table where you can kick back and watch the TV. And just to my right, oh my gosh, check out this balcony area. It's got a small table and 2 chairs, making it perfect spot to sip your morning coffee while soaking in a beautiful Gold Coast sea view. Honestly, this view alone is worth the stay. Moving on, let's check out the first bedroom. The room itself isn't massive, but it's been designed so smartly and it feels incredibly cozy and inviting. The setup is spot on, with everything you need for a comfortable stay. But the real showstopper, these floor-to-ceiling glass windows on the front and side. Just look at the jaw-dropping sea view of Gold Coast. It's absolutely stunning. Imagine waking up to this every morning. Next up, let's take a look at the bathroom. This is super clean and modern, with everything you need for a refreshing stay. They've got all the essentials covered: shampoo, conditioner, you name it. The shower area is nice and cozy, perfect for unwinding after a day at the beach or exploring the city. It's those little touches that makes experience feel so luxurious. Alright, let me just show you before wrapping up this night view from the balcony area, and look at this. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks equally beautiful as it was in the day. I am just in love with this place. Meriton Suites, you've done well. So there you have it, folks. The full tour of Meriton Suites Southport, Gold Coast. From the stunning exterior and welcoming lobby to the luxurious amenities and this incredible apartment suite with its cozy lounge, modern kitchen, comfy bedrooms, sleek bathroom, and that show-stopping balcony view. Whether you are here for the pools, the gym, the relaxation, or those unbeatable Gold Coast views, this place has it all. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my adventure on Stroll with Addy. Let me know in the comment what you think of Meriton Suites. And until next time, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios from Addy.